So I think we should start. It is already 8:47. 8:47, yeah. So hello everyone. Good morning, and it's a weekly expiry. So this is the disclaimer that all the information is considered as a recommendation. It should not be considered as a recommendation to buy or sell securities. All information is intended for educational purpose only, and in no way should be considered investment advice. So we'll see the market, US market and Asian market. So US Nasdaq has closed 2.59% up, Dow 1.29% up, and S&P 1.56% up. Even European index like DAX 1.03% up, FTSE 0.49% up, and CAC 40 0.97% up. Even SGX Nifty has closed 0.22% up. In Asia, Kospi has closed 0.37% up. Nikkei 0.48% up, Shanghai Composite 0.55% up, and Hang Seng 1.86% up. So overall, US and Asian market has closed on higher note yesterday. So these are the news, important news. US market gained after 2 days, losing stick on a strong earnings and services PMI data. Brent crude oil slips to $97 per barrel on high inventory. Rupee falls back above 79 after record trade deficit. Wipro announces a new 5 year strategic engagement with Nokia to deliver global business services in support of Nokia's renewed operating model. NCLAT rejects plea seeking CCI probe into WhatsApp's 2016 privacy policy update. Uber sold 16.22 crore shares to crores of Zomato at rupees 50.44 per shares. So earnings result, Adani Transmission, net profit down by 57.3% at 186 CR versus 435.4 CR. YOY, and revenue up 10.7% at 3,131.9 CR versus rupees 2,829.7 CR YOY. Adani Wilmar, profit up by 10.19% at 193.6 CR versus 175.7 CR YOY. Revenue up 30.2% at 14,731.6 CR versus 11,312 CR YOY. Vodafone Idea net loss of 7,296.7 CR versus loss of 6,563.1 CR quarter over quarter. Revenue at 10,410 CR versus 10,239.5 CR quarter over quarter. So result to be announced: Adani Enterprise, Berger Paints, Britannia, Dabur, Vale, Concor, HPCL, Balakrishna Industry, and Dalmia Bharat Gale, etc. So if you look at the derivatives data, so maximum call option open interest is built up at 17,500, which amounts to 1.61 lakh, followed by 17,600, and its amount to 1.52 lakh. So maximum put option open interest is seen at 17,000, which amounts to 1.57 lakhs, followed by 17,200, which amounts to 1.43 lakhs. Bank Nifty, so the ratio is 1.04, and maximum call open interest has around 38,000 mark, which is amount to 1.12 lakh, and followed by 39,000, which amounts to 1.05 lakhs. Maximum put open interest was built up around 37,500, followed by 1.10 lakh, followed by 38,000, which amounts to 0.74 lakhs. So after that, we will talk about the chart of Nifty 50. So this is the chart of Nifty 50, and After, if you look at the chart, it is a daily chart, and from 19th July, if you'll see, there is a gap up opening, and then there is a 5 days of a small consolidation we have seen. And what we have observed is like 26th of July, the index has actually breached just below its 100 DMA, and it has just lower by 2.4% with the 100 DMA. But on the very next day, the index has reclaimed, and then on 28th of July, we have seen a gap up opening. And if you look at the volume here, the volume is above average from past 5 days. The index is actually trying to soar higher, and obviously taking the this indication from the global market as well. So what we can expect, that index is actually in the bullish trend, and we can expect further upside from here. So right now index is actually facing resistance around its 17,400 and 400 level. So once this level is passed, obviously we can expect that level to pass in today's session itself. So once this level is passed, we can again expect certain bounce back here for 200 or 300 points. And so far as this support is concerned, so we here there is support of 200 DMA, which is just 2.20%, or there is a strong support near around 17,100 level. So 17,100 is a support level, and 17,013 is a 200 level. So those two levels are side by side or almost near to it, so that can act as a support for the Nifty 50. Now Nifty Bank. In this space, one can follow buy on dip strategy as well. Bank. So Nifty Bank also same case, the index is actually soaring higher, and we have seen a gap up opening on 28th of July after reclaiming its 200 DMA. And if you look at the volume part, the volume is above average in this. So again, we can say that the index is actually soaring higher, and from here onwards, we can expect some bounce back and some upside move as well of 800 or 1,000 points, obviously. And then if the so far as support is concerned in this, then I think immediate support is placed around 37,000 mark. So this is how it is, and we expect wise trading, and I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.